How these YouTubers be doing it, man? Driving over here and trying to record. You can't even do it. Look, you gotta do this. Come on, man. Yeah, because they all drive automatics. Look at that boy right there.
My boy.
Hey, honey, how much you charge for the night?
Hey, for you?
Come on.
$100 a night.
Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on in. Squeeze up in here. Let's do this, baby. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at the house. We're going to be tackling the Roadster shop tunnel today. What the hell you doing in there, bro?
What's up?
The hell are you? This boy over here. That's right, guys. We just picked up DANTE. You guys remember DANTE? I don't know if you guys remember DANTE from LS Fest. This guy right here, my boy, my dude, the master fabricator, guys. We brought him in, flew him in all the way from Arizona. DANTE, what are you gonna help us with us today, man?
Guys, today we're gonna knock out a trans tunnel. We got the Roadster shop kit, the drive shaft tunnel. We're gonna get it all welded up. Looking good.
Again, you guys, it is a big build. Had to bring in the heavy guns, aka DANTE guns. But let me show you guys the transmission tunnel that comes from Roadster shop. It's pretty nice. It's not too shabby, man. This thing is pretty nice, dude.
It's pretty sweet, guys. So we've got this is our bell housing piece that goes right up on the firewall. And you guys, this is an awesome fit. Everything fits perfect. Nice and clean lines, clean seams. So.
I am impressed with this, dude. This is obviously from Roadster shop. They ask you if you want to run their transmission tunnel or you can fab your own. But this thing, like DANTE said, this thing is pretty nice. Everything's pre-bent, ready to go. There's obviously going to be some trimming and stuff involved. DANTE, what are you thinking? We're going to have to cut or tack and weld, or are we going to kind of like cut sections? What are you thinking? Give me the rundown here.
So we'll get a little general idea of how it fits up in the car. We'll go ahead and mark everything out. Everything's kind of been cleaned already, so we're prepped, and we'll make a rough cut to get the factory tunnel out of the way, and then we can go ahead and start laying in our sheet metal. And like he said, this stuff fits great. It takes the guesswork out.
DANTE, bro, again, we know you're from Arizona, but where's your shop at? Tell the people where they can find you at. They need some work too, man, because shoot.
So I'm out in Scottsdale, Arizona. My shop's called Murillo Fabworks. I've got YouTube, TikTok.
Oh yeah. Bro,
I'm all over the place.
Hey, I totally forgot, you guys. Oh yeah, he just started a YouTube channel. Guys, we got to get the subscribers up. So I want you guys to go subscribe to the channel. What's the name of the channel?
Murillo Fabworks.
Bro, what y'all doing over there, bro? These dogs, I'm telling you, Murillo Fabworks.
The helpers.
Murillo Fabworks on YouTube, guys. You guys got to go hit the follow button and the subscribe button, of course. But all right, let's go inside and let's get to work. Squeeze in there, baby. Show me them cheeks, bro. Show me them cheeks. Get all up in there, bro.
Tortas in the car.
All right, you guys. I try to do some prepping along the week, and you can see, kind of get you an idea of, I mean, this whole, it's really going to go up from all the way to the firewall, DANTE, all the way to the back.
All the way up here, it'll run this whole area. All of this is getting taken out.
Yeah.
And it'll go all the way to the back, and it'll be nice and smooth.
Okay.
A lot cleaner. You get rid of all these crazy different dimensions that just don't sit very well.
Good. Let's get to work. Shoot, let's start cutting.
Let's do it. So from the top side I have a line marked, but on the bottom side, we run into this issue with the seatbelt bolts. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut through them, and we'll go ahead and order some new ones for these. That way we don't have to worry about trying to go up and over them or go under them and risk cutting off too much material. Rather be safe than sorry and just replace these two.
Damn, up, Gina?
We got holes.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
That's a hole. That is the hole for sure. Yeah, looking good. I like it.
It's the hole for the good cause.
What's next, bro?
All right.
Mock-up time?
We gotta do a little bit of cleanup with the grinding wheel. Just get a little bit of area. The area that I'm gonna tack the tunnel and everything to, I need to make sure that it's nice and clean. That way I'm not trying to weld over paint. And then we'll start setting in our pieces and tacking them in.
Let's do it. Bro, you got me over here laying on my back using a brick, bro. What are you doing in here?
We in there like swimwear, guys.
Oh, yeah, look at
We
that.
got the bell housing hump, trans tunnel, and now the drive shaft tunnel. Everything tacked in. I'm gonna run back and get some tacks in here just because we're not completely solid there. But tacked in the front, all the pieces are tacked together, and all the back is tacked together.
I like it. I like it, you guys. Yeah, but bro, I think it's almost lunchtime though.
It's lunchtime, baby.
We got to get some foodsies. We'll be
hungry.
back. We hungry. We'll be back. We got Big Booty Judy over there, bro. Look at that Big Booty Judy over there. All right, you guys. Dante's doing his thing. He's welding over there. He's welding everything up. While he's doing that, I think I'm gonna focus on the tunnel down here. You guys can kind of get an idea on what this looks like. Now you can see all the trimming we gotta do still. Everything's tacked in and in place. But this is kind of how we went about things. Is we didn't obviously want to cut too much, because then we don't want to add material later. But again, now we can start trimming all this back and get it nice and flush to where our new tunnel shape is at now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna gut the grinder and start cutting. Dante, you good, bro? A little dusty over there?
Dusty and crusty, baby.
I know, guys, man, it is the next day. We hit it late yesterday and hard. A lot of grinding, a lot of welding, like just non-stop. Obviously, you guys don't want to see all that for hours and hours, but we're finally towards the bottom of the core, and you can see it's looking real good, Dante. We really got, all we got to do is clean up all the bottom stuff, kind of get rid of all this excessive material where we cut, and then obviously we got to smooth everything down. And what we got the braces to do left as well, Dante.
Yep, those are stuff right up in there.
So those are the supports that the Roadster shop will send you to kind of continue the factory style bracing here and up and over the humps for the drive shaft. So we're gonna hit that and hopefully be done here real soon. Hey man, you done over there, bro? What?
Done, my
That
boy.
boy, yes sir. Look at that, y'all. Oh baby, man, it has been some work, you guys. We've been putting in work, grinding, welding, you name it. But I think we got a trans tunnel, man. Look at that. That looks super freaking good. I am digging it. I'm very happy with this kit, man, from Roadster Shop. It is definitely a lot of work, but man, this looks freaking good. The tunnel came out sweet. I gotta let Dante down real quick so we can show you guys the inside and wrap this thing up. Damn.
My new whip.
You Uber, man? That boy cruising over here. How we looking, bro?
Baby, we're good.
Show me, talk to me.
Fantastic. So I got
Oh,
the seams all welded up between all the pieces. I got everything all blended out. Everything's cleaned up over here.
I like it. I like it. Let me see what's going on in the back here.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. This tunnel definitely goes all the way back up to the passenger, I should say towards the rear of the car's rear seats, but it is looking good. Obviously, we still got to seam seal everything, and I mean, once I got the rest of the floor prepped, we'll go back and I'll seam seal everything. But man, I'm digging. Hey Dante, bro, man, I don't know. I was watching this YouTube guy building some Nova or something. You know what that dude's name is?
That'd be me, baby.
Oh yeah, what's the name of that YouTube channel?
Murillo Fabworks, guys.
Check it out, Murillo Fabworks right there, fellas. You guys got to go hit that subscribe button for him. Check him out. But guys, I got to rush his ass to the airport, man. We literally are out of time. This guy's got to go back to do his thing. He's working on a badass Nova. I mean, super duper like SEMA Barrett Jackson build. You guys got to check that thing out. But that's it, guys. Do the damn thing. Do this thumbs up.
Yes,
do the subscribe button and the like button and hit the bell for notifications. You guys already know. Stay wrenching.